Hello everyone, welcome to this Microsoft project tutorial for complete beginners. Today we'll be diving into the fundamentals of project management and exploring how Microsoft project can help you streamline your civil engineering building construction projects effectively. First, let's talk about why project management is so important in the field of civil engineering, particularly for building construction projects. Whether you are constructing a residential building, a commercial complex, or an infrastructure project, effective project management is crucial for ensuring everything runs smoothly. Here are a few reasons why project management is essential. Organizing and planning. Project management helps in organizing tasks and resources, setting clear objectives, and outlining the steps needed to achieve them. This ensures that everyone involved, from architects to contractors to laborers, knows their responsibilities and deadlines. Time management. With proper project management, you can create realistic schedules, track progress, and adjust timelines as needed. This helps in meeting construction deadlines and avoiding delays, which can be costly in terms of both time and money. Resource allocation. It ensures that resources such as materials, labor, and equipment are used efficiently. This prevents overallocation and underutilization of resources, leading to cost savings and increased productivity on the construction site. Risk management. Identifying potential risks early and planning for them can save a construction project from unexpected issues. Project management involves risk assessment and developing contingency plans to mitigate these risks, ensuring the project stays on track. Quality control. Ensuring that the construction project meets the desired quality standards is a key aspect of project management. This involves setting quality benchmarks and regularly reviewing progress to maintain high standards and comply with building codes and regulations. Communication. Effective communication is vital for project success. Project management establishes clear communication channels among team members, stakeholders, and clients, ensuring everyone is on the same page and any issues are addressed promptly.